Hi everyone, my name's Laura Boville. I'm an assistant professor of English at SWIC on the Granite City campus, and I'm going to be your instructor for this section of English 101. So I just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself and to welcome you to the course. I know that this semester has probably been a little nuts for a lot of us, and that this course is starting late and it's short, so maybe some of you are feeling a little anxious about it, but I wanted to reach out and encourage you and maybe calm some nerves by just, reassuring you that the class is going to be just fine. So whether you really enjoy writing or you see it as something that you have to do, whether your goals include a job that requires a lot of writing or rhetoric to be successful, or you feel like you're going into a field where this isn't really necessary, hopefully by the end of our course you'll get the idea that rhetoric and composition applies to everyone. The idea that words have power and the way that we use them is important is hopefully what you get out of this class. So just a little bit about me. Like I said, my name's Laura Boville, so you can call me Professor Boville, you can call me Miss Laura, you can call me Laura. As long as you don't call me teacher or dude, I think I'm pretty good. I have an undergrad degree from Truman State in public communication. After that, I moved to Japan to teach English for a few years, and then that's really where I got my interest in and passion for teaching. I decided to move back to the Midwest and get my graduate degree in teaching English as a second language at SIUE, and I taught there for a few years before I came to SWIC. So now I live in Tower Grove in St. Louis with my fiance and our pit bull, who is joining me today. Say hi, Suede. Hopefully that gives you an idea of me and my background. So my goal for this course is that you'll gain more confidence in your writing, that you'll be able to sort of identify some areas where you personally might work, but also to encourage you to look at the words that you use and those that you're being influenced by, and to give a little thought to how they can serve you. So I am looking forward to working with you. If you have any questions, please reach out via email, or I'll also be on Microsoft Teams soon. So keep an eye on your email and our Blackboard course, and I will see you soon.